I just got fucking permabanned.
575 to 478.
Go ahead, 575.
The streamers are live and currently exploiting request permission to issue a permanent ban.
You have a go 575. Enjoy.
Roger that, and thank you.
These cheaters have been punished by the men and women from Ricochet. All streamers are guilty until proven innocent.
I don't even know what this channel is, bro. It's like a fake anti-cheat like analysis. I don't even have cheats installed on my computer, and it's literally like, what is this? Like, bro, are we kidding?
Yeah, right? This guy said it's my birthday.
0 cheats installed on my computer, and it's
What are we talking about here?
given cheats. Let's see what it says.
Guardian TrueSight is not fake. It's not speculative. It's science. Built on advanced computer vision, Guardian TrueSight analyzes real gameplay footage to evaluate how a player's camera naturally aligns with enemy targets, frame by frame. Unlike traditional anti-cheat systems, it doesn't poke around in memory or scan for installed programs. It's reading visuals. It exposes unnatural aim behavior using proven methods, entropy analysis and statistical modeling. Every player is assessed under the exact same conditions, no exceptions, no biases. If someone is flagged, it's because their aim patterns clearly deviate from what's observed in legitimate, high-level gameplay. When cheating is detected with high confidence, the system makes no secret of it. Cheat is displayed directly on screen. Persistent shifts between orange and red zones, or red flags for external interference, whether it's Cronus, DS4, or any third-party input tool. And for those claiming it's fake, that's like a child dismissing science because he doesn't understand the equation. This is science. Measurable, testable, and repeatable. You don't get to believe in it. You either understand it or you don't.
Next is I have cancer.
Upper torso, head. I'm giving head. I'm giving head.
This player doesn't have a clue what's actually happening. So he just repeats what's happening on screen, much like a child without any insults.
Sections, anomaly, violation, anomaly, abnormality.
Bro, what's the quality of the AI too, bro? That's not real.
Tracking aim regions, data node.
Since Fortnite.
People in the comments don't even know what that is.
And neither do you. Data nodes are tiered memory buffers that track recent aim regions and calculate entropy to detect unnatural aiming patterns, indicative of cheating.
Like, is there like something at the end for like a summary?
Guardian does not declare whether a player is cheating based on aim decay. It provides analytical insights that empower administrators to make informed decisions. However, if Guardian detects tampering or clear aimbot through shadow sight, it will show that detection.
Like, bro, what? People are actually like believing something like this, which is crazy to me. Like, if we read the comments, dude, like, LMFAO, knew it. The Rick defending him was actually insane. Like, I have 0 cheats installed and it's saying I'm cheating with an AI graph. Like, bro.
Guardian doesn't declare you a cheater. It flags unusual aim patterns for review. It's just a tool to help admins spot potential issues, not a final judgment, so that statement is completely false. It's ironic that a streamer who openly admits to lobby boosting, a clear violation of Activision's terms of service, is trying to discredit an AI-driven anti-cheat system. Starting off by cheating to manipulate easier lobbies, then claiming you're not cheating, isn't exactly a strong defense. Guardian doesn't rely on subjective human judgment. It's powered by AI, and built on scientific principles, like entropy analysis and behavioral pattern detection. The system doesn't accuse, it analyzes. You can dispute opinions, but you can't argue with the math.
People are falling for this. In the big year of 2025, nothing installed on my computer. We have Riot Client.
Citing Riot's Vanguard as a comparison is laughable and irrelevant, but that's a discussion for another time. What's more telling is that while trying to defend himself, this streamer inadvertently exposed use of the Artist War exploit.
Artist War is the only thing I have.
These exploits allow players to hear enemies from unnatural distances, while muting their own footsteps, client-side, giving them a massive and unfair advantage. So the case he's making to prove he's not cheating? It's not looking good. But it's about to get even worse. About a month ago, I publicly reported major upgrades to Guardian. including the ability to detect manipulated input devices like DS4 Windows. I was crystal clear about it. I said, Guardian TrueSight also excels at detecting suspicious scripts that utilize DS4 Windows, such as anti-recoil and extra aim assist scripts, providing a comprehensive and detailed overview of player behavior. So can someone explain to me how a player, who appears in the red zone during active monitoring, openly admits to lobby boosting, uses the Artiswar exploit, and is also running DS4 Windows? You just can't fix stupid. Guardian is doing exactly what it was built to do. If anything, this proves it's working better than ever. Because it wasn't happy with this player's gameplay. I'm sorry, what do you want me to say? I don't know what you're running on your PC, and frankly I don't care. All I can tell you is that your gameplay is showing signs of artificial input. Guardian detected multiple violations that 100% match the aim behavior associated with DS4 Windows aim assist scripts. These aren't just vague indicators, they're precise matches. The top scripts out there all share recognizable patterns: aim velocity, crosshair acceleration, aim timing, and Guardian's entropy engine picked up those exact patterns repeatedly. This wasn't a one-off. It wasn't borderline. It matched over and over. The aim speed and aim assist behavior were well outside the normal parameters of what's expected from legitimate aim assist. Watching the gameplay, honestly, you should be in the CDL. Go replicate that on LAN. I'd bet my entire channel you wouldn't come close to showing that kind of aim assist in a controlled environment. Stop gaslighting, just look at the footage. Then go compare it to the World Series of Warzone Global Finals. None of them came close to showing the kind of aim behavior you displayed in that world record. Let's get one thing straight. Guardian never explicitly said you're using an aimbot. That's something streamers often twist to deflect from the real issue. Anytime you're caught using aim assist scripts or software that enhances aim assist, you muddy the waters and gaslight the conversation. You default to saying, I don't have cheats installed, while completely ignoring the fact that scripts providing extra aim assist or anti-recoil are by definition cheating. That's the problem. Many streamers refuse to accept that using additional tools like Cronus Zen, DS4 Windows scripts, or any external software to gain an aiming advantage is not legitimate gameplay. Instead, you pretend the accusation is always aimbot, and when it's not that, you claim innocence. Guardian TrueSight is trained on over 5,000 hours of professional CDL gameplay. It knows exactly what legitimate aim assist looks like at the highest competitive level. But that's just one part of the dataset. Guardian has also been trained on thousands of hours of cheating footage, from YouTubers showing off aimbots, spinbots, and scripts. Whether they knew it or not, they were contributing to the machine learning model. It's also fed with hundreds of videos of players using Cronus Zen, anti-recoil scripts from DS4 Windows, and fine-tuned aim assist enhancers. Every frame of gameplay is analyzed by Guardian's entropy engine. It tracks crosshair velocity, acceleration, and movement patterns with pixel-level precision. It knows what's human and what's not. It knows when something is off. So, trying to argue that the system doesn't work, just because it flagged your scripts, is like arguing against physics. It's not personal. It's data. And it knows. A streamer from Facebook has been selected for review. Father and Son Gaming is now live on the Guardian TrueSight channel, using our new 1.6 engine. Player reports are now generated and downloadable, and everyone has access to them. So head over to the Guardian channel now, and don't forget to subscribe.